Hey, this is Jason. We're at the Mainstay project. Just want to give you a quick rundown of what's going on inside. Right now we have the painter. He's finishing up the walls, so doing touch-ups and doing the final coats on all the walls. We have our floor finisher, Family Tree. They just got started sanding and finishing our stairs. We should be getting the built-ins installed today in the mudroom area. The golden ticket today is surface creation on site. They're installing the countertop for the perimeter cabinets and the island, as well as the Invisacook cooktop. So these countertops are Dekton, which is a man-made material. It's a lot denser and more durable, so when it comes to overhangs, you can actually have a bigger overhang with Dekton, and you can actually have a bigger slab than a natural stone. So because it's an invisible cooktop, we are engraving little flames, the logo of choice made by the client, in order to show where the center of each burner is. And in the kitchen, we've reinstalled some of the cabinetry that we held off on installing since we did a little bit of layout change. So things are getting put back together and we're getting ready to put the final moldings on.